Morning everybody. 6:45. Look at that mist. Very beautiful. I think that's due to the rain last night. Quite a lot of rain. Right, well, all packed away. It's 8 o'clock. I'm ready to do the trip in reverse. So I've got to put the canoe in the little river here, the little stream that used to be part of the canal, and I'll be heading down there through that thicket towards the Honning Lock. Then I'm going to have to portage around that and head back down towards Wayford Bridge. That's everything in the canoe and pushing off. That's the second launch, and the weir is out of the way, so let's push off, and now we can concentrate on a nice paddle down towards Neatishead. There it is. Goodbye Honning Lock. Morning.
You got your British canoeing membership? Or...
Yeah?
Yeah.
BCU?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've not seen you here before. Are you? Are you radar checking?
Yeah. Just had a couple of your compadres on stand-up paddleboards, and that was like wacky races around them. So I thought I'll do some speed checks.
Ship on the water. Do you mind if I see?
Yeah,
I
of
can
course.
see that's a 23.
Go ahead.
Thank you ever so much.
Yeah, no worries. Excellent. Well,
right.
thanks very much. All the best.
To interrupt your day.
No, not at all. No. There we are. Broad's Rangers doing the job. Just been checked. Thankfully, I've got my BCU membership on me, so no problem at all. And the ranger said he's just carrying out some speed checks this morning. So he's got a little radar gun and he's just making sure that people aren't doing more than 4 miles per hour. There's a cutting off the River Ant towards Barton turf. I've just been there and had a coffee on the river bank, and now I'm setting off into Barton Broad in a southerly direction, and then I've got about 2.5 kilometres to go round the eastern edge, and then I'm going to cut across to the west over towards Neatishead, where this journey will end at the Neatishead Staithe. So it is possible to just stay on the River Ant and bypass Barton Turf and just go straight into the Broad. That's on the other side of this little bit of an island here called Heater Island. But it's quite a nice little sort of detour if you want to have a leg stretch. Well, it's continuing to be another lovely day. Sun's out and it's warm and pleasant. I have actually seen some otters just on this corner here in previous trips. The wildlife around here is exceptionally good. I've seen all sorts of bird life, large grey herons. I've seen a white crane and quite a few kingfisher, which was quite exciting. Now I'm entering Barton Broad, there's quite a bit of motorcraft about, so I just have to take it easy and keep out of their way by going around the broad edge. I think the main navigation for those guys is across the middle. You know, the thing that I really like about canoeing is the fact that you go at a completely different pace to normal life, and you get to see things from a different perspective. You know, you're in amongst it. When you look at the map, what looks like a very short distance, normally 2 or 3 kilometres, you know, in the canoe you're suddenly looking at an hour and 10 minutes. This morning has been pretty good going. I've been averaging 3.5 kilometres per hour, so I must be feeling quite fresh or something, so I'm doing all right. So here we are, Barton Broad. The moment I've entered Barton Broad, I can feel the effects of the wind. Great expanse of water with nothing to slow the wind down, so even on a mild day like this, the wind picks up. What I think I'm going to do is just cut across to the western edge, keep out of this wind. So just heading over there, and then down to the left I can see a few sailing dinghies over there, and they're going pretty quick, so I think the wind is going to pick up around that corner, sort of a southwesterly direction. I'm approaching Neatishead, where I'm going to end this journey. I've done just over 11 kilometres this morning. I've really enjoyed it. I hope you have as well. And until the next time, happy paddling.